Pressure head. Okay, so how to measure the pressure head for a flow through smooth pipe? So this is a smooth pipe. The diameter of pipe is given to you. The length of the pipe is given to you 100 centimeter. So there are two taps. We can connect the manometer at the two taps. Okay. Then first step, start the motor. Start the motor. Then open the valve V2, V6 and V7 simultaneously. Open fully, both valves fully. Okay. Now check the manometer, connect the manometer pipes to here, and now check the pipe, is there any air? Check this pipe for air gap. If there is a air gap, keep this open, let it run for some time. So maybe there is a air. Yes, there is a air. You can see here there is a air. Yes, come here. You can see the air. Show this air. Now we need to remove this air by operating this. So close this, open this, close this, open this. The air will go outside. Here see there is no water is coming. So what is the problem? Somebody remove this. So I checked there is a air and it was not removing the air. So somebody play with here. The student may play like this also. Some student by mistake or purposefully. So check this connected properly or not. So before that see now water is coming. So I found there was no water coming from here. Yeah, now water is coming. So you can see this air gap. I need to open this and remove from here. See now air is going. See till there is a air. Yeah, this is now fixed properly. So check these two connections. Maybe somebody play. Now there is still air. You can see the air. So we need to remove this air by operating this one. If air is here, operate this. If air is here, operate this.
Yeah. Yes. I'll keep this one on that.
Now check again from here. You can see the air. If air it will come up until there is some air. Yes, there is some air. Now if I operate this, the flow will not close this. See, the flow is not closing. So means there is no air. So I will make it, and now it is mostly air is gone. Now record the reading H1, record the reading H2. The higher is H1, lower is H2. Then next we can find out the difference. Okay. Now next reading. Close valve little. Watch here. Watch on mercury manometer. If it is deflect, then you can take another reading. So you can see there and close it. Yes, there is a deflection. Now I will stop here. A small deflection, I will stop. Record the readings, H1, H2. We can find out pressure. For next experiment, close this wall. This wall, there is a hole like this and it will close the wall. So close this wall. Close this wall like this. Immediately sit here and stopwatch. Anybody have stopwatch? So stopwatch, start stopwatch at 0 and stop at 10. Okay, so when it reach to 10, immediately stop. Start at 0 and stop at 10. Yes, and record, stop here and immediately open the wall. Okay, you can take third reading by closing the wall. Fourth reading, closing the wall. Okay, at last, close this wall simultaneously. So close this wall and switch off the machine. Okay, so here we perform two experiments, only to measure pressure and this week to measure volume and time, and we can find out friction factor. Plus, thank you.